Hello everyone, as you know, this is your second video on this chapter, and we have learnt few passages, the snake and the mirror. And in the first video, we have discussed what kinds of feelings we have when we look at an animal or a creature or a insect is watching its face on the mirror, because we have noticed that only human being try to look his her face in the mirror, but here is a strange matter that happens in this chapter, and your writer is so much surprised after looking that a snake is watching in the mirror, and he expresses his feeling in this chapter. So let's proceed. I think we should start for passage. I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. Means here writer is telling that when he went back from the room and sat down on the table, I opened the box beneath the table and took out a book, a Materta Medica. I opened it at the table on which stood the lamp and a large mirror. A small comb lay beside the mirror. One feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near one. I took a look. In those days, I was a great admirer of beauty, and I believed in making myself looking handsome. I was unmarried and I was a doctor. I felt I had to make my presence felt. I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. Again I heard that sound from above. So here we can say that here writer is telling about himself that he was interested person about his personality. He always care about his personality and what kinds of book he used to read at that time. He had mentioned here, and what did he do and what he noticed. He tempted to look into a mirror when it is near one, and he believed in making myself looking handsome, because writer always believed to look handsome. He was unmarried. He has also mentioned that he was unmarried, and not only he was unmarried but he was a doctor, and he through he combed his hair, adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. So when he was doing this, at that time he heard that sound from above. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. I made an important decision. I would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. Means here we can say that writer believes to be more handsome. So what he used to do to become a more handsome, he is telling the readers here. I was after all a bachelor and a doctor. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. I made another earth-shaking decision. I would always keep that attractive smile on my face to look more handsome. I was after all a bachelor and a doctor too. On top of it, again came that noise from above. So here we are noticing that what kinds of feelings he is trying to express is here. I got up, packed up and down the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. I would marry. I would get married to a woman doctor. Means here we can say that writer is expressing his desire, what he used to think. He is expressing here that he will marry a lady doctor, and because he is also a doctor, and he is thinking so because he wants to so much money and good medical practice. She had to be fat for a valid reason. If I made some silly mistake and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. With such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. There were no more sounds from above. Suddenly there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Surely nothing to worry about. Even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. The snake's hand landing on me and my turning were simultaneously. Means here writer is telling that how it happened suddenly in the career of the writer, and when a snake touches or happens in the front of a people, what kinds of feeling comes in the mind of the people. Means here writer expresses that he had to move simultaneously. So in short way we can say that this is a so much interesting story. And guys, your today's homework is that you should try to explain this lesson from para number 1 to para number 6, and that one not only you have to explain para number 1 to 6, you have to also learn word meaning of these passages.